Sharing Your Blessings, A Guide to Generosity. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very meaningful phrase, share your blessings. Understanding this phrase is not just about expanding your vocabulary. It's about embracing a concept that can make a world of difference in our lives and the lives of others. So, let's get started and find out how we can all share our blessings. When we talk about sharing your blessings, we're referring to the act of giving something valuable of yours to others, especially those who are in need. These blessings can be anything you consider positive or beneficial in your life. This could be material wealth, like money or goods, but it can also refer to intangible things like skills, knowledge, or even your time. The key here is recognizing that these blessings, whether big or small, can have a significant impact when shared. It's about generosity and kindness, offering a part of what you have to improve someone else's situation without expecting anything in return. Sharing your blessings is fundamental for several reasons. Firstly, it fosters a sense of community and connection among people. By sharing, you contribute to a support system that can help individuals and communities thrive. Secondly, sharing promotes gratitude and humility. It reminds us to be thankful for what we have and understand that not everyone has the same opportunities or resources. Finally, sharing your blessings can lead to a ripple effect of generosity. When you share, you inspire others to do the same, creating a cycle of kindness and support that can reach far beyond the initial act. Sharing your blessings can take many forms, and the beauty of it is that everyone has something to share. Here are a few ideas. 1. Donate to charity. This is one of the most straightforward ways to share your material blessings. Look for reputable organizations that support causes you care about. 2. Volunteer your time. If you have skills or time to offer, consider volunteering. Whether it's helping out at a local food bank or teaching skills to others, your time can be a valuable gift. 3. Spread knowledge. Sharing knowledge can be incredibly powerful. This can be as simple as helping someone learn a new skill or offering advice and guidance. 4. Be kind and supportive. Sometimes, the simplest acts of kindness can be the most impactful. A kind word, a listening ear, or a supportive gesture can make a big difference in someone's life. We hope this video has inspired you to think about the blessings in your life and how you might share them with others. Remember, sharing your blessings is not just about material gifts. It's about making connections, offering support, and spreading kindness. We all have something to offer, and every act of generosity contributes to a better world. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep learning and keep sharing.